Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can show or hide notifications on the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on lock screen. Next, we go down and tap on notifications. Now tap on the toggle button to switch it on or off. If you turn on notifications, you can tap on the left hand side panel. In here, you can choose to show icon only or notification with the details, like that. And you can also change the transparency of your notifications content. And after that, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now you can see here, if I go to my lock screen, I have my notifications showing right here. And if I switch it off, then the notification will not be showing on my lock screen. And this is to help you increase your security and privacy. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.